the Numeral Raconteur, presented by Bancorp Inc. The main goal of our product is to offer a fun way to hasten bingo night, as well as provide a more on-the-go alternative to opposed to the clunky traditional bingo cage. As for what it does, the machine will first display a message prompting the user to draw a number. Once the handle on the side of the product is wound, the LCD screen on the front of the machine will display a randomly generated integer in correlation with the 75 numbers in a bingo game, all in which range from B to O. This expedites the process of having to draw a bingo ball physically, as well as offer a fun way to change the gameplay of bingo. In regards to its design is meant to resemble the classic look of the traditional bingo ball cage. It's fairly small to ensure that the machine does not take up too much space. Its design is estimated to be roughly 7 inches tall and 6 inches wide, the handle itself being estimated to be 2 inches. It's also made of durable recycled plastic that is meant to last for long periods of time. The stand also ensures that the machine does not fall over during intense bingo nights. It's also powered via wired connection, which can be plugged into any household, and the handle on the side is meant to cycle through various bingo numbers. As you can see in our visual demonstration, each time contact is made with the board, the LCD screen will display various bingo numbers produced by a random number generator.
Alright, so the programming evolved. It starts off with telling the user to draw their number. And then it starts a loop in which that it will generate a random number. So when it detects a motion, a random number will be generated. So there's 5 different cases. The first case would be for B and numbers 0 to 15, then I for 16 to 30, N for 31 to 45, etc. And so if they want to reset, they can obviously hit the reset button and it will go back to the beginning if they want to start a new game of bingo.
To condense how the program works, this is a flowchart of events depicting the program's functions, as well as the process of using the product. First, the user must decide whether they want to play bingo or not. If not, they can always play it later. If they decide to play bingo, however, they must first adjust the contrast and settings of the LCD screen, which will display these numbers. Whether they choose to adjust the LCD screen or not, the final step will be to draw a number from the product and continue playing. This process repeats for every time the user wishes to play again or draw a number using the machine. Now, why should you buy our product? Buying the Numeral Raconteur quickens the process of playing bingo, cutting down on the usual time it would take for a traditional bingo cage to produce a number, allowing the flow of the game to go much faster than if the numbers were to be given out by a human. Secondly, usage of a digital bingo machine eliminates the need for bingo balls, which tend to be made of plastic and could lead to harmful impacts on the environment. Plastic bingo balls also tend to be hard to keep track of, especially when playing with a large group of people. The Numeral Raconteur surpasses this by eliminating the need to keep track of physical objects. Thank you.